Pilipinas, kaya pa ba? Please allow me to talk about this photo. The Senate circus continues as the minority stood their ground and walked out of the Senate hall due to the motion of the majority to amend the rules for the voting rights of the senators. Apparently, China Tor Marcoleta motioned that absentee, virtual, remote, or electronic voting shall be allowed in the Senate. This is clearly against the current rules of the Senate since its establishment in 1916. Virtual voting is only allowed for national emergencies as determined by the government, just like what happened during the pandemic in the year 2020 to 2022. Naka-work from home halos lahat ng senador ng mga 2 taon because of the pandemic, which makes sense. So, what's the purpose of the motion to allow virtual voting for senators in the year 2026? This is definitely an unprecedented motion that may cause a lot of precedents to all other motions that can be against the Senate rules. For what? Para gawing malateleseryo ulit ang Senado? O para makaboto si Bato de la Rosa kahit wala sa Senado? Bakit hindi siya mag-attend at magtrabaho ng tama? Sumisweldo pa rin kahit absent? Sana all! This can also mean that this motion is in preparation for the possible arrest of 2 to 3 senators from the majority bloc who are about to be facing cases before the Ombudsman for the alleged involvement in the ghost flood control projects, namely Joel Villanueva and Jinggoy Estrada. Take note, yung dalawang to hindi pumirma sa partial report ng Blue Ribbon Committee. On the other hand, China Tor Marcoleta is also facing cases of plunder, indirect bribery, and violation of the Presidential Decree No. 46, which prohibits public officials from receiving gifts. Take note na hindi po ito gawa-gawang kaso kasi nanggaling po mismo sa bibig ni Marcoleta na tumanggap siya ng 75 million pesos na donation from a businessman to fund his election campaign, which was not declared sa kanyang 2025 SOSE or Statements of Contributions and Expenditures. In fact, the Office of the Ombudsman recommended to Sandigan Bayan to issue a precautionary whole departure order to prevent Marcoleta from fleeing the country just in case. Kaya nga, nag-react yung minority because this motion looks very suspicious. It looks very self-serving at halatang halata na may purpose to circumvent the current situation and possible circumstances in the future. I remember Senator Laila De Lima was imprisoned for almost 7 years and she was never allowed to vote. Bakit ngayon pwede? Ito na yung resulta kung bakit naging katawa-tawa ang Senado. Bakit naman kasi tayo nag-i-elect ng mga clowns at mga corrupt sa Senado? Di na tayo natuto. We should never allow these China tours to trample our Senate rules, our laws, and the Constitution. Kaya saludo ako sa minority bloc, ang Solid 11, para sa inyong patuloy na pagtindig para sa rule of law and Constitution. Huwag po tayong mawala ng pag-asa. As I always say, hope is endless.